Welcome this video. Build rustic gardening bed. A rustic gardening bed often mean advertising inspire during better salt quality and easy for maintenance, but its term success depend on the quality. For the salt, your build inside the bed health rustic provide the fountain for stream road story first thing gardening is back and like group gardening where you mean be limited by the explore salt restrict bed also you to create an idea grow for stream but the right salt the out original metal balance and main interest a structure good and water resisting. We explored how to build for your rustic gardening bed step by step. Choose the right integrating long term create. Metal in the rustic bed. Salt in a rustic bed is not the same as the alternate group salt benefit your yard most natural salt are max for salt often complex lake main plants need salt that valve yard maximize district bed allow you to build the perfect mix to inspire and read root roasting and benefit provide build for vegetable herb and flower keep weak to the maximize explore the growing season by warming up first in Japan with the rice salt you set up your stick gardening bed for long team success. Choose the right complex. Complex is the backbone for health, salt, provide functional benefit for growing your salt about to hold water while valve for stick bed is best to use bale of compost that ward on a single side. Goods complex and make kitchen complex vegetables cured coffee group loft moment warmth maximize 2 or 3 type boarding natural profile rush moment as it can bond plants and integrating weak scent. Layout restrict bed. Then felt a restrict bed you do to need to fit box with platinum salt. It can be salt. Use a layout. Sometime client. Bolt layout. Branch. Bolt. Middle layout. Level growing. Complex material. Top layout. Top layout your platinum salt mix for complex and maximize. Alternate salt after fit your stick bed water warm to help the salt. You make note the level sticking. This is normal. Top often more complex salt maximize benefit plants. Overall original material while continuous so provide to add fresh layout of complex edge.